Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. Now it's time to learn about tuple in Python. Tuple. So what is tuple? Tuple is same as a list, but it's just a little bit different. That tuple is immutable, whereas list is mutable. It means that list can be changed after initialization, but tuple cannot be changed after initialization. Although that's the difference between list and tuple. And the tuple can be initialized by the parenthesis or separated by the sort of simple comma. Once a tuple is initialized, we cannot modify its content. We can just overwrite its value. So let's open idle. Okay, now let's create a new file. Let's create a tuple. Let's save it in A. Parenthesis, anything you write in the parenthesis is called a tuple. If you write it in the square bracket, then it is called a list. Okay, now let's write. Now once you initialized, you cannot change the value of A since it is a tuple. You cannot add or remove any value in a tuple, but you can always overwrite it. So now let's use a loop for I in A. Print I. We know at last we are going to put always the input variable so that we can see. Key to exit. Now when you run this program, first let's save it to our desktop. Python. Let's write it tuple.py. Now when you run, you will see the 1 2 3 4 5. And the one thing more that we learned today is, let's write that if for in A. Now this is the time to learn the in and not in keyword. We can check like this. If for is in the variable A, that is in the tuple, then it is going to print yes, else print no. Let's save it. Well, before running the program, let's copy paste this program again and let's write 6 and write here not in A. Now let's see what will be the result. It was display the value same like here, and after that it checks if 4 is in the variable A. Yes, it's in the tuple A, so it print yes, and it checks that if 6 is not in A, 6 is not in A, so that it's print again yes, and it's the same. Key to exit. Okay, now let's save it first and let's run this one from here. Tuple. Yep, yes, exit. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.